Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Bhindi is a favorite vegetable for many people and I too enjoy any dish made with bhindi. Now, I've made several bhindi recipes earlier. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out. Today I'm going to share a wonderful stir fry made with bhindi and boondi. So let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients ready for the Bhindi Boondi Fry here. So first take a nice white pan and heat it. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and lightly roast them. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add 2 teaspoons of roasted peanuts without skin. This is optional, but you can also add peanuts with skin if you prefer that. After the peanuts are roasted, add 1 finely chopped medium-sized onion to the pan. Once the onions are transparent, add 1 kilo of okra, that is bhindi, which is nicely cut up into medium-sized pieces. Mix the okra with onions gently and make sure you don't mash them. Keep the flame on medium and fry the okra for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see that the bhindi is slightly fried. At this point, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asweta powder and a few fresh curry leaves to the pan and mix everything well. Now fry the pieces for 10 more minutes after you add the masalas. As you can see, the bhindi is nicely cooked and done here. At this stage, add 1 cup of plain boondi. You can add extra boondi if you like. Mix everything well and add about a handful of desiccated coconut to the pan. Give it all a nice mix, and the desiccated coconut adds a great flavor to the dish. So I would say that it is mandatory in the recipe. There you go, that's it. Our Bhindi Boondi Fry is done. Turn off the stove and you can serve it nice and hot along with some hot steaming rice and ghee. You can also enjoy this with rasam rice, sambar rice, or even curd rice. So you can see how simple and easy that was. Well, this is a very interesting bhindi recipe, something different from the usual sabjis that we make. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.